Hi guys, welcome back to the ToonSkit channel. I've been using the iOS 17 beta version for several weeks. I find my iPhone is overheating and the battery drains so quickly. And many users also posted other bugs on iOS 17 beta version, like wallpaper turning black, apps crashing, cannot connect to the network, and so on. By the way, if you can't wait for Apple to fix them, you can try this tool. ToonSkit iOS System Recovery can solve more than 150 plus problems on iPhone. By using ToonSkit iOS System Recovery, you're able to fix those iOS 17 beta bugs on your iPhone at one time, without data loss. Now, let's get started. Download the tool from the description of this video and launch it on your computer. Before getting started, you need to use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer and put your iPhone into recovery mode. Next, click on iOS System Repair. Click the Start button to continue. Now, you can see to repair modes, go to Standard mode. It can fix iOS bugs without data loss before downloading the firmware package. Check your device's info listed here and click the Download button to get the firmware package. It starts to download and verify the firmware package. When finished, click the Repair button to fix the bugs on the iOS system. Done. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. If this video helps you a little bit,